Wow. This is just nice. Everyone's been infected in this case. It's infiltrated just about everywhere. Not so much in here, but well, actually so much in. Oh, fudge. Let's just hope he doesn't use it by the time. There goes the pup. Hey, pup. You should get up, you know. Wow, the entire street has been flooded. Most likely the kids will be scared. Yep, we've been flooded out. Huh? We've been flooded just as much as everybody else. The drains, huh?
Yeah. If you go by Marathon, huh?
Yeah, I can see that. Wow. Look at this entire project though.
I don't know what's split pot, but here low, so low there's a when he walked through there.
This side one more.
Well, the good news is the water's coming back out. The bad news is not at a very good rate. As fast as it's coming out, it's coming in. So we're gonna have to wait till everything goes.
Water all up to the seat.
Ah, boy, that's not a good sign. What's the firefighters doing here? Now you have to wait for everything to redry. Wow, this is the biggest flood I've actually been in. It's tiny, I know. This is the biggest flood I've actually seen ever since I started coming here and living here. Wow, just look at that. Look at that. If any more rain falls, I'll be scared to shit. Look up to the mountain, still has rain. Tell me about it. Yep. This is me, Julio again. I can't say I'm reporting, but this is wow. This is something you don't see every day. It's something I've never seen before. This place, to me, has never flooded. The entire drain, my guess is that the river has actually exploded. Hello. Wow. Just wow. And this is our roadway, or what's left of it. I can only guess where the rest of the road is. Can't go any further than this. This is completely blocked off. Hey, pup. This is an interestingly freak storm. You can see the storm has subsided, but it's something you don't see every day. This is something you definitely don't see every day. Hey. People are still, I don't even know if I can go further than this. It is. Risking my life just to report. good thing I got my old shoes on. It's not a good thing because now I have to take a shower at the end of all this. I can only guess that this is the drain bank. Hello. And this is the entire river coming down the street. So I can walk up to this drain bank and figure something out. This is a complete mess. Wow. This is the entire river coming down, isn't it? Yep. If I make any attempt to move. Wow, this is just interestingly incredible. This is the actual first time I've ever seen this kind of thing happen. I can't just jump over because I might fall in. I can make an attempt, but at this point I don't even know where the drain is. I don't know if I'll be standing in the drain, around the drain. Everything is just flooded out. Had lots of rain earlier, so it was totally unexpected. I mean, this entire road, this is a road, people. What you're looking at here is a road. This isn't a river, it's a road. And wow, this is also a road, not a river. I mean, you would think I'm hiking, but this is actually a road. All right, I better get back to my room. I don't even know if it's flooded yet. So I'll give you the room update in a minute. Wow. This is the first time I've seen this place like this. I mean, look at this, dog. This is a river. A river going down a road. Going down a road. These are where the events normally happen. The place all flooded completely. And here's flooded as well. Good news is their houses were a bit higher than usual. I have to be very careful where I step. And let's see where the road takes us. Wow. It's like it made a new river. Dear God. Thanks, dude. Wow, look at all this. Look at all of this. It is just coming from one single river. The rain's starting to fall again, so you might have a second outing of it. Here's some insect vectors. Guys who know what they're doing. Edge of these things. Wow. Look at that. Look at that, look at that. See if we can get across the street. Seems you gotta take a shower after all this.
Let's
Go have a look at the river. Sandbag, that's good. Wow, look at all this. Dear God, look at the river. You can see it bursting right through its banks. I'm risking my phone and my own life giving you these live feeds. So it's not really live anymore, but you know what I mean. Just over at my place, it's empty. There we go. Wow. This is the fullest I've ever seen this river.
If this rain continues, it's about to get a lot.
Well, let's hope it doesn't continue.
Yeah, but you see how high this is already? And it's getting higher.
This is one heck of a report I have to do. It's rather interesting, I must say. The entire road is like a river by itself. Yep, already did. It'll raise a bit before it starts to drop. If we can get to the corner, that'll be good. Let's wait for this van to pass by. The van is passing by. Wow. Let's go have a look at inside the river. The water has already settled. Wow, look at this. This is the river. Can't go anywhere because it's as far as it goes. Wow, this is just interesting. I already have the. We're gonna have to go around to see the rest of it on the other side. So I'm gonna sign out, put it in my bag. Wow, look how messed up this dude is. Doesn't even give a shit. Alright. This is William Brown signing out with the third video.